In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add font Klaviyo. Start by opening Klaviyo and going into any email template in the editor. It can be a brand new template or one you already use. Once the template is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click the Styles tab. This is where you control the overall design settings for the email, including type, colors, and spacing. Next, scroll down within the Styles panel until you reach the section for text and headings. This area controls the default fonts that your email uses, so changes here can affect multiple blocks at once. Taking a moment to work in styles helps keep your formatting consistent across the entire template. Now, find the font dropdown in the text and headings area. Click that dropdown, then look at the bottom of the list and select Add Font. This opens the options for bringing in a new font that is not currently available in your template. At this point, you will choose your font source. If you select Google Fonts, you can search the Google Font library and pick a font directly from the list. This is usually the quickest option and is easy to manage. If you choose Adobe Fonts, you will paste your Adobe project ID so Klaviyo can sync the font kit connected to that project. If you are using a font that is hosted elsewhere, choose Custom Hosted. Then select Import Font and paste the CSS URL for that font, such as a link provided by a font hosting service or one hosted on your own server. Make sure you use the CSS URL, since that is what Klaviyo needs to load the font styles correctly. Before you finish, choose a fallback font, like Arial or Helvetica. This is important because some older email clients may not support custom fonts, and the fallback keeps your text readable and professional if the main font cannot load. Finally, click Add Font to finalize. Your new font will now appear in the font list, so you can apply it to text and heading styles in the template. That covers everything you need to know.